Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to plan a journey on Google Maps. Okay, this is going to be a long journey from, let's say, point A to Z. Let's make point A, Denver, point Z, Ohio. And we're going to be planning for fuel, food, things like this. So I'll come here, click on this option, directions, and it will choose a starting point and a destination point. Starting point, I will have Denver, Colorado. There we go. And then ending point, Ohio, USA. Perfect. Now, it will draw a route for us. As you can see, we just have to wait for this to initialize. So you can go ahead and toggle this one on if you want to be driving, walking, cycling. There's also flight options as well. This is what the flight route would look like. And this is the drive option, right? So what I suggest you do, let's say you want to drive. I can go ahead and toggle this one on specifically, and it will do the route for me. Now, what I can do is I can add destinations here by clicking on add destination. You can search for hotels along the route, gas, EV station, things to do, right? Camping grounds. And if I scroll down here, I'm able to explore new places to add along the route. And you can see exactly where these places are. Maybe you want to go to the zoo. I can just go ahead and add this there. There we go. I am adding that, right? So I'll add that as the destination. So now we have added Topeka Zoo right here. And let's say maybe I want to add a hotel. So I can just zoom in. Of course, you can toggle these ones on. And let's say you want to see hotels right here. You want to view them. Let's say you want to stay in this lodge. All right, it's a top rated lodge. All you need to do is hover over here, click on add stop. There you go. Now it will draw the route again. As you can see, just first to go to this lodge and then end up here, right? Same thing with gas stations. If you want to go ahead and do that, you just look for a gas station and click here as well, right? Come here, find a gas station, align the route. As you can see, of course, I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so we have one right here. I can go ahead and add this as the stop. All right, so open 24 hours. There you go. So now it's drawing everything again. As you can see, we're going by Topeka Zoo, right? This is the hotel we're going to be staying at. This is Road Ranger. And then we'll end up in Ohio. Of course, you can scroll down there and add these places as well. Just go ahead and click on that. It's as simple as that, okay? It's really that easy and simple.